1. Fix your schedule and sleep at 9 p.m. to be awake at 4 a.m. 2. Quit your excuses and work out for 30 minutes daily. 3. Include fresh fruits in your daily diet to optimize your health. 4. Prioritize cold shower in a day with no excuses. I promise your self-discipline will be boosted. 5. Listen more than you talk and be teachable. 6. Learn to say no unapologetically and get busy minding your own business. 7. Make an attempt and read 50-plus pages to sharpen your mind. 8. Learn a new skill every 3 months and spend another 90 days developing it. 9. Sit on a monitoring walk after having 2 glasses of water immediately after sleep. 10. Sleep a quarter of your day to reset your focus and boost your mood. 11. Meditation creates a space between feeling an impulse and acting on it. 12. Please for no one else. Do something for yourself for 6 months.